I just spent over 2 months building one of the largest micro-NEX coasters ever. It is a recreation of Zadra from Energylandia, and it is one of the tallest and fastest RMC coasters in the world. So let's go back and look at how I built one of the greatest micro coasters of all time. The first thing we need to do is build the first turn into the lift hill. I made a fun stop motion video of the lift construction so you can see exactly how I made it. I tried to copy the supports as close as I could, which ended up working pretty well. I was having a hard time with the crest of the lift, so I ended up finishing it off camera. So here's the lift hill done. Now, quite a bit of this will be retracked later on in the video, so I'll quickly explain everything. I built the first element that I will be referring to as the twisted top hat with some trouble because of how it was shaped. At some point, I moved the coaster out of my room so that I could build the whole thing in one piece. Next, I built the stall and the wave turn, which is when I noticed some problems that I will let past me explain. Alright, so here's the situation. It's not working. So my plan is to start building backwards. So I'll build 0G roll, twist and turns, airtime hills, and then I'll adjust all of this afterwards. The reason I didn't build backwards to begin with was because I didn't know how high and the scale of the lift that I was going to need, and that's kind of important. Alright, thanks past me. Now let's build some more as we watch a funny POV that I took. The ride ends with a brake run, so I built a brake run. Then there's a final 0G roll element. Oh, and I should mention that the top designs will be changing a lot throughout the video, so don't pay much attention to it. Anyway, then I built the 2 low to the ground turns and 2 airtime hills, and then another 0G roll. And here's a test. The next element we need to build is a basic airtime hill. I made this hill so it had the perfect amount of speed to clear the rest of the layout. Then I made the right turn before the hill and started planning for the wave turn. I used a build technique that bends some pieces to make a smooth curve. Here is an example of the technique. Repeat it a bunch of times and then you get a nice smooth curve. Next thing we need to do is add more supports to the curve. This is a before and after shot. With having the technique down, I was then able to quickly finish the wave turn, which now means it's time for my favorite activity, retracking. Alright, so I finally finished the wave turn, and now it is time to take all of this track off so that I can rebuild it backwards. So the next hour of my life was me taking off all of the track. After that, I continued going backwards and built the stall. I used the same build technique for the arch supports. The hardest part of the stall was making the transitions because of how the track is banked. The stall is the perfect height so the train has the perfect amount of speed to go right through the layout. Okay, so I might not have recorded anything, but I've made progress, and well, I kind of did finish it, but I need to rework this here because this thing has a lot of speed and it's able to make it from here. My train is running really fast right now, so I'm going to lower this by 2 red rods. So that's what I did. I lowered and reprofiled the twisted top hat, and I'm much happier with how it came out. The second to last element was the valley, so I built that too. Then all that was left was to connect the track up with a lift hill. This is the second tallest lift hill that I have made at about 7 feet tall. It is a bit steeper than the real one, but I don't even care, because this coaster is a beast. Alright, Zadra is now basically done. I'm going to make a few tweaks to the lift hill, and I'm also going to try and add some extra supports here, just like diagonal supports, to make it look a little better. But other than that, it is done, it is working, and now finally I can show you the final result of probably the largest, at least in piece count, roller coaster that I have ever built. Enjoy. Oh, before I show you guys, hit this cool button here because cool number is almost cool number. Yep, okay, bye, thanks, watch.